ITS Enclosures offers various accessories to create the perfect enclosure solution. Introducing the MP8 Folding Mouse Pad. This add-on is compatible with most NEMA 12 enclosures with an integrated keyboard drawer. The folding mouse pad can be attached to the left or right side of a keyboard drawer and folds 180 degrees for storage in the closed keyboard drawer. The pad is positioned in the roll-out keyboard drawer by using a mounting angle. Please note that the available space for a keyboard is reduced by approximately 2 inches. The folding mouse pad is made in the USA and always completely assembled and ready to use upon delivery. Still have questions? Call 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Products tab to find our full list of accessories.